So this is a quick run through on how to put the card reader inside the device. There's 3 screws. You need a Phillips screwdriver. Just pop these 3 out, one on the side, and this piece can slide right off. You don't have to turn the unit off because you're not doing anything super electrical. And I'm not sure which card reader you have, but if it's like this with a 6-foot cord, I just lay them in here and put the cord, kind of press it down in there so the cord actually kind of holds the thing. And that gives it enough that it's not going to fall out, and it'll be up against the front, and then it gets plugged into the USB port here. And you slide this back on. You just got to work that in there, right? And then put your screws back in. So that's the quick version of it. If you have a different card reader, it may be that yours has a bracket in here as well, and it might be that you mount the card reader to the bracket and it has a short cord. Just try to get the cord wrapped around in there and slide this on, screw it up, back on, and you're done. So that should be it. Give a call if you have any questions.